So if you've always wanted to go to space without necessarily going to space, this is the correct image generator for you, which is the website is DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to upload your image. If you have a URL, you can actually input it here, but just upload your image and then select any of the templates here. Also input it, click on the output language you want here, and you can hit generate, and your results will be shown here. Now you can see an example of the images that have been created using this. So all you have to do is just follow what I have selected. You can even just scroll down here to get a fully written text of how to go about it, and you have your image ready for download within seconds. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.